And guys, tinutulungan ko po si Mami dahil gusto ko to. So, let's go guys. Na-flat lang to. We just started this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, okay na yan. Guys, I have chicken nuggets. You remember that? So you not remember that, right? So that's what you'll do. Get the chicken nuggets, flap it. What do you use? This is all that you need to use. And these 2 eggs. We already only 1 egg or 2 eggs.
One egg?
Only 1 egg?
Yeah.
It's already 1 egg lang. Okay. I'm trying it to make more space.
Okay guys, ito na yung chicken breast nuggets.
It's my favorite.
Coated na siya ng breadings. And then, ipi-pre-cook na lang. Sala na natin. Dito ka na.
Init. Don't just... That's so hot, guys. Remember, kids, don't do this. Okay? Don't do this, kids.
Close lang natin siya na ko.
Just, if you're cooking, call your mom. So, guys, ito na. Guys, we will show you if it's already done. Okay? Guys,
What?
we're already cooking. So,
Yeah, we will
go
wait
here.
until it's
So, guys, let's go.
brown, turn into
I will see.
what?
Next channel, the part 2, okay? Like the part 2 of cooking. Like, do you see me right here? And
The little boy can't wait.
so, ano?
The little boy can't wait.
Bye, guys.